the same monster worms revealed by the melt drain lakes. Yes, premature silt. Damn, there's a worm again. It's a bullying thing. Lubriculous, very agathis. Try now and then to avoid its eyes. I try, but the fucker has no eyes. I'm doing these wilderness evolution things. I'm modifying, recombine paintings, create new art mutations. I'm doing the wildest thing. Hashtags of for a fucking planet. It's a life thing. It is practicing macroaggressions against me topside. Anyway, it is ignoring its session because it isn't a Zoom meeting. This particular worm deserves deleting. This particular worm deserves deleting. This particular worm has made it so I'm no longer a nature lover. I'm all about the microbiotic, you know. I am all for climate change now. Fuck the worm, much loathing, wow. I'm doing these wilderness evolution things. I'm modifying, recombine paintings, create new art mutations. I'm doing the wildest thing. Hashtags of for a fucking planet. It's a life thing. Keep melting and dying trees. There's me in 2017, a head and shoulder bust of freeze. That was from 5 quantum years ago, back when I used to smile so. A friend is distracting herself in the midst of a personal pandemic. Cope by growing a monster worm like this in a jar on the windowsill. That was when I first saw it clearly, if you will. That was when I first saw it, not at all afar. Little glaciers, the ice glass of a pickle jar. I'm doing these wilderness evolution things. I'm modifying, recombine paintings, create new art mutations. I'm doing a wild thing. Hashtags of for a fucking planet. It's a life thing.